my god, is it gonna stop? Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting up pictures of my Preludes, my Civic Type R and other any car Honda related stuff. So in today's video we're going to be looking at my Prelude, which I'm going to start up after it's been off-road for nearly 5 to 6 months, because I decided to put that off-road because there was no meets, shows. I wasn't driving enough. Last year I did about 100 to 200 miles, so it wasn't no point paying insurance, insurance, road tax for that. So I decided to take it off. So yeah, today we're gonna go check that out, see if it still runs, see if it's been rusty, see if trees have grown out of it or anything. So we're gonna go look into that. Here it is. Bloody hell, so many trees. Oh my god, is it gonna stop? It's completely dead. So what we're gonna have to do is get the car's battery charged up and come back again. To jumpstart the car, I got this Noco Boost Sport Ultra Safe Jump Starter. It claims that it can jump the battery of 4-litre cars. It's quite good actually. It comes with a little carry case, jump leads, looks solid, and it's even got like USB out, so you can charge your phones and stuff like that as well. Gonna give that a little go now. Second time lucky. Got the charge up in place. Let's see. Oh, the lights come on, that's a good thing. Oh shit, the AC's on. Turn it off. 1, 2. Oh, that sound. Love it. Now gonna let the car stay on for like 10-15 minutes. And then next time I'll turn it on will be to give it a good clean, because right now it's really dirty in here, like really dirty. We'll definitely need a good clean because there's a lot of dust, mold everywhere. Look at that. Yeah, so the next video will be me giving it a good clean, getting it ready to take it out on the road. So I should see you in the next video now.